Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert TRX to USDT in MEXC. For that, you need to launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log into your account. Once you successfully logged in, you need to tap on this search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for TRX now. Once you type TRX, you are going to see two different pairs of TRX with USDT. The first one is in the futures and the second one is in the spot. So as we want to sell it, so you will have to select the second one, which is in the spot. So after clicking on it, you will have to press the sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then you will be redirected on this type of page. Now over here, you just have to select the price at which you want to convert your TRX into USDT. Then you will have to enter the amount of TRX that you want to convert, and it will show you the equivalent USDT that you are going to get in your account. You can even use this slider and it will automatically take TRX from your account, and then it will show you the USDT amount that you will get. So over here, you need to tap on the sell TRX button and then your order will be placed, and this way you will be able to easily convert your BTC into USDT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.